Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK, and I thought I would come on and do an unboxing video. So I have been sent some happy mail from one of my subscribers, and I thought I would unbox it on here. Now this has been sent from Antonio, and he has a YouTube channel as well called Antonio Makes, which I'll link down below. So do head on over and check out his channel. I'm going to rip into this. Okay, I've now finally got into the box, and he sent me a little card. Oh, I think he's made this himself. Beautiful card. He says, thank you so much. Hope you will enjoy these goodies. Everything in the box is handmade. Crafty love, Antonio Makes. So let's see what he has sent. Oh, this is a card. Oh, it's one of those, I don't know what the name of the card is, but it's one that flips out. How amazing is that? That is beautiful. So I think what I'll do with this is I'll find someone special to forward this card onto. That's amazing. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. That's the packaging. Okay. Oh, so this is, I can't believe he's made this. This is amazing. And I can feel there's something inside as well. So I think you open up the top. Oh, milk bottles, my favourite. Amazing. I'm going to butcher putting this back together, aren't I? Let's see how this goes. I have made some boxes before, but nothing as intricate as this. That's brilliant. And then we've got, oh, there's some makeup in here. Some mascara. How did you know I'm a bit of a makeup fan? Then I have some, oh, I'm not too sure what these are. It's stationery, so let's open it. Oh, I think these are erasers. They're like macaron erasers. That's amazing. Those are so cute. Awesome. And then we've got a little pouch here. I don't even know what papers these are or what collection they're from. But these packets are just super cute. So I'm just going to open up this little tie. Okay, I'm in. I had to cut it. I'm going to get these bits out of the box and then move the box out of the way. Okay. So I'm now into this. These little roses are so cute. You'll have to let me know where you got those from, Antonio, because I love those. And then in here, oh, we've got some gems. Lots of gems, and I like to use these on my card making. A whole little packet of gems there. And then we have an envelope. This paper's gorgeous. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. Try and open it gently. Oops. Okay. Oh, we've got a load of bits and bobs in here. Keep that and reuse that. Oh, we've got some washi tape. So there are ones with some cute little, there's the Eiffel Tower, I think. There's tea, there's hearts. There's some pandas on this one. And then there's like a brown and a white stripe, and then there's some cats as well. I won't say that too loud because my dogs will kick off. And we've got these cute little cactus clothespins. I use these around my craft room to pin up. So when I'm filming a video, if I need a reminder, if I've got notes or something, then I pin it onto one of my cup storage things in front of me. So they, actually, I'll do that now. Add those on up there. So those have got a place in my room. And then we have some life log stickers. So these are, I've seen these before. These are just a whole load of stickers on a clear backing. And these are all cakes and donuts and all of my favourite things. So those are amazing. I'll get those back in. Put those back in a minute. I'm going to have some gold twine. And I believe these are boxes. Oh, how intricate are those? These are boxes, and they're actually cut on like a pearl cardstock. And you've got the score lines. So, yeah, you can just make these up into little boxes yourself. And these are great for little, when you're giving little gifts and stuff. Oh, I just want to do this now. And then the bottoms, I think these are no glue ones, so the bottoms should just fold in to each other. Right, I'll do that off camera, but then it just all ties up into the middle with a bit of ribbon. So thank you very much for that. They will come in handy for giving out little gifts. Let's move those over there. He's also sent, oh, he sent a lipstick as well. I must admit I've not worn makeup since the lockdown, but I do have quite a collection of makeup. So I'll give this all a go. Oh, that's a purple. That's quite a nice purple. That's an evening colour. He knows me so well. Craft supplies, makeup, sweets, amazing. Okay, and then this one here. Let's try and not destroy this one. There we are. Oh, we've got some face masks. Awesome. I'll be using one of those later on. Absolutely amazing. Antonio, you've been so generous with your happy mail. Let's see what we have in here. We have some gold pegs. Yes, some of the those little gold roses that I liked. Excellent. And then a couple of calendars. I was going to make my own calendar this year and I never got round to it, but I still can with these, and I never got hold of these in the end. And there's some little cupcake on foam as well. Cupcake embellishments. Find a home for all these little bits. And then this one here, this box is amazing. I don't know how you made this, but it looks incredible. And then the lid comes off, and then there's a little surprise in here as well. Oh, we've got some chocolate biscuits, so that'll have to be on my treat day on my diet. Just absolutely incredible. So thank you very much again, Antonio, for sending me this happy mail. It definitely has cheered me up today. And as I said, please go and check out Antonio's channel. He does all sorts of crafty videos, tutorials, haul videos as well. So yeah, go and show him some love. Another UK crafter. So thanks. Okay, I thought I'd just pop on and do another happy mail unboxing. So this is from my mum, and I thought I would just tag it on to this video. So this is a day of happy mail being received. So I have, oh no, sequins. I bet she put those in loose on purpose. She's an animal. So what has she sent? Oh, it's come out of this. Oh, it's a little box of, oh, there's pom-poms. Look what's in here. Some brads. There's a little Minnie Mouse flare badge. There's some more sequins, some little wood veneers. Yeah, I think they've all come out of here, so I'm going to have to mop those up. Some buttons, some more sequins, some little wooden pegs. That's awesome. And she's put some leaves in and some chocolate. We all need chocolate whilst we're crafting. And oh my goodness me, yeah, it's made a bit of a mess. And I believe my mum has made this, so let's open it up and have a look. Oh no, Mum, I'm gonna have to cut it. Sorry, ribbon. Little note. Oh, my mum said, "Hi Claire, I handmade this for you. I hope it brings a smile on these dreary days. Love, Mum. It's nowhere near perfect, but I tried." And look, it's got a unicorn on. Oh my goodness me. This is amazing. Mum, I love it. It's like a concertina file folder, and she's chucked a whole load of goodies in as well. So there's some lovely stamps. I'm going to put them back in because I want to keep it as it is so I can do a little photograph. And then there's a whole load of red and gold heart sequins. And then I've got some photo frames. And then in here, oh, there's some tags. And then in here, I've got one of my favourite things to use, pom-pom trim. Let's pop that back in there. And then in here, some washi tape. And then some more frames. And then in here, there are some stickers. That's amazing. My mum needs to have more confidence in herself. That's just brilliant. I don't think I'd ever think to make something like that. And now I feel a bit bad because I've cut the ribbon off and I think I need the ribbon to keep it closed. So that will be going in my my little mini album tray. I could add photos in that afterwards once I've taken all of the supplies out. So thank you very much, Mum. I love it. And obviously the chocolate, and I'll mop up the sequins in the morning because they've literally gone everywhere. And I will be filming a video on making my mum her happy mail as well. But hopefully I should be able to see her next week. Since the lockdown has slightly been lifted. So yeah, I made a bit of a mess, or the posties made a bit of a mess here, but yes, lovely. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all next time.